Village Sub District. The first, hello everyone. My name is Chandra Hadin Akmal Pamungkas. I'm here to presentate about planning of waste management site with principle of reduce, reuse, recycle in Sukamaju Village, Sub District. And first, we have the background. Background is City Pekanbaru is facing increased waste management challenge due to growing waste volume. Sukamaju Village, one of the villages Pekanbaru does not have TPS that meet technical standard. Last, there's still vacant land available in urban area, presenting an opportunity for developing proper waste management infrastructure. In the second problem, we have a problem statement is that existing waste management system in Sukamaju Village in inadequate and there's a lack property a waste management facility at communal or regional scale. And the third, increasing amount of waste management putting more burden on landfill and causing excess capacity issue. And last, without proper waste management infrastructure and practice, it's difficult to implement effective waste reduction strategy. In a literature review, I have a case study of insight like Celatri Octaviana Hardianto 2050, 2040 analyze waste generation and economic potential in Purwakarta district, and like Rizky Anissa 2040 and design integrated TPS free facilitate with waste management Kampung Maruga, and Devi Hanawanti emphasize community participation as critical for sustainable waste management practice, and Liangin at 2080 compare anaerobic discuss and composting method, and Edwin Aramanda 2090 plan TPS Trier Medan Polonia reducing waste sent to landfill by sorting organic and inorganic waste, and the last Fabiana at 2015 elicit and raw public engagement in sustainable waste management in Sal District Pekanbaru. This is a regulation I found in the paper, like UU number 18 tahun 2000 2008, pemerintahan pemerintah no like this on SNI dan petunjuk teknis dirjen cipta karya IPCC guidance, and method of study. We have research approach and didactic approach based on regulation Permen PU number 3 2013, and research design means descriptive quantitative method focus on number and data to describe waste management condition and plan TPS 3, and data collection primary data observation questionnaire interview with resident and stakeholder, and BPS Kota Pekanbaru, SNI, literature review, analysis, quantitative, descriptive, analysis, management composition, and mass balance. Spectral analysis identify sustainable TPR location based on technical criteria. We have a result and discussion. In the first, waste generation average waste generation in Sukamaju in a village is 0.346 kilo% per day. Project to reach 2.6 ton per day by 2030 with population growth. Waste composition organic waste is 47.31%, plastic 15.5% paper cardboard, 11.5 59% other, remaining percentage current waste management condition must hold non-permanent waste, contain irregular waste collection schedule, limit community-based waste sorting, and total area need is 165.2. And the main facility waste recycling, sorting, composting, recycling areas or facility is like office, toilet, security post, and parking. And waste processing method is composting using open with windrow, non-organic, and waste sorting, wash, reading, compacting residual waste, competitive, compet, community participation over 53 of surveyor resident already sort waste. It's like 70 until 72% and participate with waste sorting. And like environment and economic benefit like reduce landfill by 80%, potential economic value from recycle and compost sales, reduce greenhouse and gas emission. And solid waste management study is like majority non-use permanent waste container, regular waste collection schedule, limit community-based sorting and recycle, waste generation average by 0.346 kilo per day, and reach 2.6 ton per day by 2030, and waste combustion organic waste by 47.31 in a less component. And a solid waste treatment study in organic waste composting using open waste raw method, and residual waste transport and the final disposal site, and must balance up to 80% reduction in waste sent to landfill. Collaborate with local government and private sector for funding and operational support, provide incentive for household and business to participate. This is a dry layout and side view. This is ruang penerimaan. This is ruang pemilahan. This is C is ruang penyimpanan. This is ruang pengolahan sampah organik is D. This is E, ruang pengomposan. Di V ini is area parking kendaraan angkut. G, balai kerajinan tangan and bank sampah. H is pos jaga. I is kantor TPS 3R. Terus G, area parking kendaraan. Is K, penampungan residu. And last one is toilet. This is a side view of the temporary storage. So in my conclusion and recommendation is waste management. This study identified that waste management in Sukamaju inadequate household using non-permanent waste container and irregular waste collection schedule. Organic waste dominant by 47.31%, followed by plastic and paper cardboard, and TPS replanning, TPS reduce reuse recycle facility has been planned to address waste management challenge, and optimal site for TPS 3 was identified as RW 03 Jalan Dr. Susilo meeting technical criteria such as distinct from water source and residential area. Like in this is my recommendation and further research. We conduct further study to mission on household waste and B3 waste, hazardous waste, and compassion. Develop detailed design plan for TPS based on identified space requirement. For local government, provide awareness campaign to educate residents about waste sorting and recycling processing. Offer in an incentive to encourage household and business participants in waste management program. For the implementation, we collaborate with private sector and stakeholder for funding, operational support, like consistent mentoring, monitoring, and evaluation for TPS and maximize efficiency and sustainability. This is my reference, like IPA, Busra. Thank you. That's all from me. Thank you.